Hello students, welcome to Maths Learning with me Chandana. Today we will learn about ratio and proportion. Before going to the topic, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, share and like. Without any delay, let's get into the topic. If A and B are in the ratio 3 is to 4 and B and C in the ratio 12 is to 13, then A and C will be in the ratio. We need to find A and C ratio. Here some options are given. A option is 3 is to 13, B is 9 is to 13, C is 36 is to 13, D is 13 is to 9. Let's find the solution. A is to B is the value 3 is to 4 and B is to C is the values are 12 is to 13. We need to find A is to C. So we will write A is to B is to C. 3 is to 4 in the place of A is to B, and here B is to C values are 12 is to 13. In the place of B we will write 12 and in the place of C we will write 13. So after 4 here in the place of C we will write again 4. In the place of A we will write 12 before the 12. We will multiply 3 and 12, 4 and 12, 4 and 13. 3 and 12 multiply by 3 and 12, 36. Multiply by 4 and 12, 48. Multiply by 4 and 13, 52. So 36 is the A value, 48 is the B value, 52 is the C value. We have to find A is to C value. So here A value is 36, B value is 48 and C value is 52. Let's do the simplest form method. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 2 twos are 4 and 2 six are 12. And again 2 table, 2 nines are 18 and 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So A is to C is equals to 9 is to 13 is the answer. We can also find in another way, that is A is to B is to C. Here A is to B values are 3 is to 4 and B is to C values are 12 is to 13. In the place of B we will write 12, in the place of C we will write 13. Here cross multiplication we can do. 3 into 12 36, 4 into 12 48, 4 into 13 52. So A value is 36, C value is 52. A is to C is 36 is to 52. Again we will do with simplest form. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 2 twos are 4, 2 six are 12. And again 2 nines are 18, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So A is to C values 9 is to 13. The option B is correct. Now let's move into the second question. If A is to B is 2 is to 3 and B is to C is 4 is to 5, then A is to B is to C. We need to find A is to B is to C values. Here options are given. A is 2 is to 3 is to 5, B is 5 is to 4 is to 6, C is 8 is to 12 is to 15, D is 6 is to 4 is to 5. Let's find the solution. A is to B is 2 is to 3, B is to C is 4 is to 5. We need to find A is to B is to C values. In the same way, we will write here A is to B is to C values. A is to B values are 2 is to 3 and B is to C values are 4 is to 5. In the place of B, we will write 4. In the place of C, we will write 5. After the 3, we will write again 3 in the place of C. Before the 4, we will write again 4 in the place of A. If you do multiplication, 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 5 is 15. So the values are A is to 12 is to 15 for A is to B is to C. We can also find in another way. Also A is to B is to C. A is to B values are 2 is to 3 and B is to C values are 4 is to 5. Here cross multiplication we can do. 2 into 4 is 8, 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 into 5 is 15. If you observe, in both the methods, we got the same answer. So here the option C is correct. 8 is to 12 is to 15. Now we will see third question. In a school having roll strength 286, the ratio of boys and girls is 8 is to 5. If 22 more girls get admitted into the school, the ratio of boys and girls becomes, we need to find the ratio of boys and girls. And also we need to find the number of boys and number of girls. Let's start the find the solution. Ratio of boys and girls is 8 is to 5. Let if B boys is 8x and girls is 5x, the total strength is 286. We know the boys and girls ratio, but we don't know the how many boys and girls are there in the total strength. So we need to find the number of boys and girls. Let's write the boys plus girls is equals to total strength. Boys is 8x and girls is 5x. The total strength is 286. If we add 8x plus 5x, 13x is equals to 286. We have to find the x value. X is equals to 286 by 13. So 13 ones are 13, 22s are 286. So we will get the x value is 22. Number of boys we need to find, that is 8x. In the place of x we will write 22. 18 to 22, that is 176. The total number of boys is 176. Number of girls we need to find here. So the number of girls is 5x. In the place of x, we will write 5 into 22. The total number of girls, we got 110. In another form also we can write. We know the total number of boys, that is 176. The total strength is 286. If we less the number of boys 176 from 286, we get 110 girls. If 22 more girls get admitted, that is 110 plus 22. The total number of girls after admitted, that is 132 girls. Now we will find the ratio of boys and girls. Boys and girls ratios are 176 is to 132. If you do the simplest form in the table 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12 and 2 6s are 12. And again 11 table, 11 8s are 88, 11 6s are 66. And again 2 table, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So boys and girls ratio is 4 is to 3. The option D is correct, 4 is to 3. I hope you all enjoy my video. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. And thank you for watching.